So the next question comes up, what if the insurer fails to deliver? Because while taking the premium, they will call you and they will nag you about the insurance, they will sell you the insurance, but when the time comes to get the insurance delivered to you, when the claim is to be reimbursed, then a lot of them back out or they ask for this paper and that paper. So I'll just tell you the short process. What if the insurer rejects your claim? First, you have to go to the complaint insurer's grievance redressal officer. You can send them in a writing and they must reply in 2 weeks under the IRDA rules, that is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So after 2 weeks, if you are unsatisfied, you can take the matter up to the IRDAI through the Bima Bharosa portal. There's a portal called the Bima Bharosa portal or the Integrated Grievance Management System. Then for quicker resolution, you can also consult with the Insurance Ombudsman. You can just Google it and go to the Insurance Ombudsman website or send an email. Finally, if still unresolved, you can move the Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission under the Consumer Protection Act. Here you can claim not just settlement but also compensation and interest for deficiency of service. So be aware and be safe. Thank you.